this is Kate, and my screencast today is about how to locate remote and online job opportunities through the website Higher Ed Jobs. You just start at the main landing page here, higheredjobs.com, and you can navigate to the location section by location and select online remote. From there, you see a number of opportunities that are listed, and they are organized by posting date. And depending on what your interests are, you can select the opportunity and read more about it. Instructional designer comes up quite frequently in this web page of job opportunity listings, and in areas everything from this one here in the culinary arts to the sciences and a number of other disciplines. If it sounds like a job that you're interested in, you scroll down to the bottom of the listing, and there's typically a link to apply for the position and any contact information about it. You also have the option to apply through the Higher Ed Jobs website as well. I hope this has been an informative screencast for you today, brought to you by the Screencast-O-Matic program. Thanks.